Hey there, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change the text color of captions in the IMDb app on your Android phone. This is especially useful if you want better readability or just prefer a different visual style while watching videos. First, open the IMDb app on your Android phone. Next, make sure you're in the Account section. Then, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on Video. Now, tap on Caption Style. This will take you to your Android phone's caption settings. A list of caption style options will appear. From here, tap on Text Color. Choose the text color you prefer. Once selected, the color will update instantly. That's all for today. Now you know how to personalize your captions in the IMDb app. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more helpful Android tips and app tutorials. Thanks.